नमस्कार दोस्तों, LIS सक्सेस मंत्रा चैनल में आप सभी का स्वागत है। आज मैं सेट 4 लेके आया हूँ आपके लिए। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, वेयर इज़ द हेड क्वार्टर ऑफ ILA? सही आंसर ए, दिल्ली। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, विच इज़ द इनफॉर्मल कम्युनिकेशन चैनल? सही आंसर है बी, करस्पेंडेंस। वेयर इज़ द वर्ल्ड लार्जेस्ट लाइब्रेरी लोकेटेड? सही आंसर है बी, वाशिंगटन। क्वेश्चन नंबर 4, हु वाज द मेन कंट्रीब्यूटर ऑफ मॉडर्न लाइब्रेरी मूवमेंट इन इंडिया? सही आंसर है ए, महाराजा सयाजीराव थर्ड। क्वेश्चन नंबर 5, वेयर इज लाइब्रेरी ऑफ कांग्रेस सिचुएटेड? सही आंसर है बी, USA। क्वेश्चन नंबर 6, द मेन पब्लिकेशन ऑफ आइज लीग? सही आंसर है सी, आइज लीग बुलेटिन। क्वेश्चन नंबर 7, यूनेस्को लॉन्च्ड अ प्रोग्राम नेम्ड? सही आंसर है ए, यूनिसिस्ट। क्वेश्चन नंबर 8, इन विच ईयर वाज द इंडियन कॉपीराइट इनिशिएटेड? सही आंसर है बी, 1957। क्वेश्चन नंबर 9, एंड्रयू कार्नेगी द बेनिफैक्टर ऑफ लाइब्रेरीज वाज फ्रॉम विच कंट्री? सही आंसर है ए, USA। What does academic library consist? सही आंसर है ए, स्कूल, कॉलेज एंड यूनिवर्सिटी। क्वेश्चन नंबर 11, हु इज़ द एक्स ऑफिसो प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ पब्लिक लाइब्रेरी इन तमिलनाडु? सही आंसर है डी, मिनिस्टर ऑफ एजुकेशन। क्वेश्चन नंबर 12, हु एक्ट एज द एक्स ऑफिसियो सेक्रेटरी ऑफ द लाइब्रेरी कमेटी? सही आंसर है ए, लाइब्रेरियन। हु इनिशियली फार्मुलेटेड मॉडल इंटर लाइब्रेरी कोड? सही आंसर है ए, ALA। क्वेश्चन नंबर 14, सर्विस बिफोर सेल्फ इज मोटो ऑफ? सही आंसर ए, लाइब्रेरियंस। क्वेश्चन नंबर 15, इन 1957 हु हेडेड लाइब्रेरी एडॉक कमेटी? सही आंसर ए, SR रंगनाथन। क्वेश्चन नंबर 16, व्हाट टाइप ऑफ लाइब्रेरी इज भाभा एटॉमिक रिसर्च सेंटर लाइब्रेरी? सही आंसर ए, स्पेशल लाइब्रेरी। क्वेश्चन नंबर 17, अ लाइब्रेरी विच सर्व द पॉपुलेशन ऑफ अ कंट्री फ्री ऑफ चार्ज और फॉर अ नॉमिनल फी इज कॉल्ड एज? सही आंसर है डी, पब्लिक लाइब्रेरी। क्वेश्चन नंबर 18, वेयर इज नेशनल लाइब्रेरी ऑफ इंडिया सिचुएटेड? सही आंसर है बी, कोलकाता। व्हाट इज़ द मेन सोर्स ऑफ रेवेन्यू ऑफ कॉलेज लाइब्रेरीज? सही आंसर है ए, फीस फ्रॉम स्टूडेंट। क्वेश्चन नंबर 20, कार्बोक्साइड कार्बोऑक्साइड यूज्ड इन फर्मिगेशन इज अ मिक्सचर ऑफ व्हाट केमिकल्स? सही आंसर है डी, एथाइल ऑक्साइड एंड कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड। क्वेश्चन नंबर 21, एयर कंडीशनिंग ऑफ स्टॉक रूम रिमूव्स? सही आंसर है ए, सल्फर डाइऑक्साइड। क्वेश्चन नंबर 22, रस्टी ब्राउन स्पॉट appearing on old paper is regarded as? सही आंसर है बी, फॉक्सिंग। क्वेश्चन नंबर 23, विच एनिमल स्किन इज मोरक्को लेदर यूज्ड फॉर बाइंडिंग? सही आंसर है ए, गोट। क्वेश्चन नंबर 24, व्हाट इज द स्टॉक वेरिफिकेशन ऑफ बुक्स? सही आंसर है बी, फिजिकल चेकअप ऑफ बुक्स। 25, in fumigation a mixture of ethyl oxide and carbon dioxide is used in the ratio of? सही आंसर है डी, 1:9। क्वेश्चन नंबर 26, बुक कार्ड, बुक पॉकेट आर सम ऑफ द आइटम्स दैट इज यूज्ड इन विच डिपार्टमेंट? सही आंसर है डी, टेक्निकल। क्वेश्चन नंबर 27, ह्यूमिडिटी इन स्टैक रूम शुड रिमेन टू व्हाट परसेंटेज? सही आंसर है नॉट अबव 60। क्वेश्चन नंबर 28, द सेल्फ लिस्ट इन लाइब्रेरी इज यूज फैसिलिटीज व्हाट? सही आंसर ए, स्टॉक वेरिफिकेशन। क्वेश्चन नंबर 29, व्हाट अट्रैक्ट स्मॉल बीटल्स कॉल्ड डर्मोसाइटेड इन द लाइब्रेरी? सही आंसर है डी, लाइट्स। Question number 30. Who developed CPM? Same answer A. DuPont Company. Question number 31. What is the role of Goods Audit Committee? Same answer B. To decide the Indian rate of conversion. Question number 32. Who suggests that only published books sold be procured? Same answer C. George S. Bond. Question number 33. Who identifies SWOT analysis? Same answer D. U. Nardin. Question number 34. Maslow theory is related to? Same answer C. Motivation. Question number 35. Expand BNB. Same answer British National Bibliography. Option C सही. Question number 36. The Calcutta University Commission is also known as Sadler Commission. Question number 37. How many principals have Helen H. Haynes put down for the book selection? Same answer B. 14. Who said demand for books should be differentiated according to its value and variety? Same answer A. L.R. McCullough. According to S.R. Ranganathan, public library staff salary will be from annual expenditure. Same answer B. 50%. Question number 40. Ranganathan recognized how many kinds of mnemonics? Same answer D. 4. Who introduced expensive classification? Same answer A. C.A. Cutter. Question number 42. Library of Congress classification has been divided into how many classes? Same answer B. 20. Which edition of CC provided facet formula for each basic class of fundamental category? Same answer A. Third. Question number 44. Which of the classification help to locate related document immediately? Question answer A. According to subject wise. Which budget gives freedom to decide allocation of fund to different items? Same answer B. Lump sum budget. Question number 46. What percentage is suggested for the salary of the staff for public library system according to Ranganathan? Same answer C. 50%. What is the meaning of user education? Same answer D. Instruction given to readers to help them make the best use of the library. Question number 48. The word classification is derived from which language? Same answer A. Latin word. Question number 49. Fundamental category were introduced in which edition of colon classification? Same answer A. Third edition. Question number 50. In which year the manual on the use of DDC was published? Same answer A. 1982. What is the size of the visual index catalog card? Same answer D. 12.5 into 20 cm. 52. Question number 52. OPAC is an acronym of? Answer सही है B. Online Public Access Catalog. Question number 53. Expand CCF. Same answer C. Common Communication Format. Question number 54. Classified Catalog Code was published in which year? Same answer B. 1934. Question number 55. What is GMD in AACR 2? Same answer B. General Material Designation. Question number 56. Which one belongs to conventional form of catalog? Same answer D. Catalog card form. Question number 57. The revised edition of AACR 2 was published in which year? Same answer B. 1988. In quick index, the keyword each? Same answer C. Derived from the title. Question number 59. The 5th edition classified catalog code was published in which year? Same answer C. 1964. Question number 60. What is the basic expenditure for library in programming budget? Same answer A. Program. Question number 61. Yearbooks are also known as. Say answer B. Annuals. Question number 62. Encyclopedia Americana is published from which place? Say answer B. New York. Question number 63. Asian Recorder is published from which place? Say answer A. New Delhi. Question number 64. What is the content in part 2 of New Encyclopedia Britannica? Say answer A. Knowledge in depth. Question number 65. Medlar online database is known as Medline. Question number 66. In India, who fix the rates, term and condition for selection of book? Say answer A. Goods Office Committee. Question number 67. Comping index gives information for which subject? Say answer A. Engineering. Question number 68. Fact on File is published from which place? Say answer A. New York. Question number 69. What is the thesaurus? Say answer A. A treasure of words. Question number 70. Who introduced book in print plus in CD-ROM format? Say answer A. R.R. Bowker. Question number 71. Process of establishing contact between a reader and document in a personal way is known as. Say answer A. Reference service. Question number 72. Where is European Translation Center situated? Say answer A. Delft. Question number 74. Name the book available from Abstracting Service in Science. Say answer A. Guide to World Abstracting and Indexing Service in Science. Question number 75. User profile file is created in which service? Say answer A. SDI. Question number 76. Library bulletin is given under which service? Say answer C. CAS, Current Awareness Service. Question number 77. Literature search in mainly used in. Say answer A. Long range reference services. Question number 78. Feedback is one of the feature of which service? Say answer C. SDI. Question number 79. Who said reference service is connect between a right reader and the right book at the right time and in a right personal way? Say answer B. S.R. Ranganathan. Question number 80. How many organizations engaged in doing translation in India in 1990s? Say answer B. 200. Question number 81. ICT notify in translation through World Trans Index which is published in year. Say answer B. 1978. Expand GAN. Say answer A. Global Area Network. Question number 83. MyLevenet was launched in which year? Say answer A. 1995. Question number 84. Vikram is a packet switching public data network developed by whom? Say answer C. Department of Telecommunication. Question number 85. Which one of the following is not a search engine? Say answer D. John Alarm. Question number 86. Who took the initiative to set up Delnet? Say answer B. Nisat. Question number 87. Among the following which is a firewall? Say answer C. Black Ice. Question number 88. Expand HTML. Say answer A. Hypertext Markup Language. Question number 89. Hotbot is a. Say answer A. Search engine. Which of the following is a search engine? Say answer C. Hotbot. Question number 91. Expand FTP. Say answer B. File Transfer Protocol. Question number 92. The application software Maitri was developed by which network? Say answer A. Calibanet. Question number 93. Which is not a pointer device? Say answer B. Keyword. Question number 94. A program that causes problem for internet is known as? सही आंसर है B, virus. Question number 95. What is the most popular DBMS for microcomputers? सही आंसर है A, DBase. Question number 96. A program written in machine language is a sequence of what binary numbers? सही आंसर है 1S and 0S. Question number 97. What is the Windows? सही आंसर है B, operating system. Question number 98. Who developed Codeine numbering system? सही आंसर है C, American Society for Testing and Materials. Question number 99. What is the main public relation activity? सही आंसर है C, publicity and event management. Question number 100. Who was one of the initiatives of library movement in UK? सही आंसर A, एडवर्ड्स. थैंक यू दोस्तों, आप लोगों थैंक यू. अगर आपने सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है चैनल को तो सब्सक्राइब करें, लाइक करें, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें. आप फीडबैक ज़रूर दें जिससे मैं और भी बेटर करने की कोशिश करूँगा. थैंक यू दोस्तों, धन्यवाद.